So it's a little card trick, Jacob, with only a few cards. Okay? And now you put the 2 cards in front of you like that. Now with this card, you turn over the other card. Yes, now you just put the 2 cards like that. That's right, Jacob. Super, super. Now, Jacob, hypnotism moment. Take your finger like that. It's a funny feeling at first, but it's okay, it's okay. Now you just do this. You see? That's the problem. You know, thumb tip? That's the thumb tip behind. The good thing is you just do this and puff and you make the thumb tip vanish and it still works. I don't know why, but it and it's just 2 cards. The real important thing, Jacob, is this and really true. Why? When you take the card, you don't take it at the center, but just slightly here. And when you bang it 3 times, you see, it's like that. But from the front, you see nothing. You see? And then you do. And after you just do this and you do that and you put the card, boom, boom, and it's that's why I don't understand well because no, that's a tricky one. Trick. No trick here, nothing there, but here is the trick. You see the trick? Okay. There is a dummy inside. There is a gimmick. It's a gimmick inside. So I have to destroy the card to show you the gimmick already, but it's easy. After it's easy to do. The gimmick starts from here, you know, and this is the dummy, okay? That's a normal piece, okay? So what you do with the dummy, you turn over the other piece. At that moment, you put the dummy like that, you know, and you can just do it, and it's nice, because you can even see under, you know, and there's nothing to see under. It's beautiful. So how it works, it's very easy.
No, don't tell them.
No?
I just love this so much. I had to wait like maybe a year before anybody would ever show me. And now they get it right away.